my dining room, but we're going to do something super exciting. We are going to be unboxing what I got in the mail, and it is home decor items. So I'm so excited about that, and I hope you guys are too. We did some shopping at Pennant again. If you haven't seen my other video about Pennant, you guys should go check it out. They have the cutest home decor items. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and tell me what you want to see next in my videos. But let's get started. So I got my Cricut scissors, so we'll see how that goes with unboxing this beautiful big box. They always write a cute little note on here for you. It says, "Thanks so much for shopping with us." I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're the sweetest. So let's see what's in this box. I do and I don't remember what I got. So it's kind of like a little surprise. I'm so excited about this. Let's see how good these scissors work. Okay, we just gotta rip that off. Stay down. Oh my gosh. Paper. 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 Oh my goodness. Peanuts. Look at this shelf. It's super cute. It has the wooded top on it and it's metal here. This is the back. That is beautiful. Tell me what you guys think about that. Oh my gosh. Super cute. Let's keep going. Let's see. Look at this little guy. This little green bush. And then I got this little bowl. It's the small round bowl that you just sit him in like that. Such a cute style. It's 2 different pieces separately sold, and it's super cute. The next item is wax melts. These are Gather. The scent Gather. Oh my gosh. It's like fall. And it's August, so it's technically fall in my house. Hopefully in your house too. But this smells amazing. Gather. This box wood wreath. This is the large size. Oh, and it smells so good. It's fresh. So I think this was actually on a tree. It's not fake. Look how gorgeous. So pretty. Yeah, this is definitely real. Look at that. Peanuts. Peanuts for days. This wooden candle stand. Put you a pretty candle on that. That's super cute. Look at the detail on that sucker. That is beautiful. Super cute. Bubble wrap. Where's my scissors? Where's my scissors? Where did I put those guys? Found them. We're gonna need some scissors for this. I don't remember what this is. It's a candle in a mason jar. Hand poured soy candle. Harvest is the lovely scent. This smells like, what does this smell like? Like apple pie, honestly. Oh my gosh, you gotta get it just so, it's hard to describe. That's how good it smells. This was the 16-ounce one. Super cute, and like, I do not know how to describe this other than like a really good apple pie. Let's keep chugging with some more bubble wrap. And peanuts. Lost the scissors in there. I found them. Peanuts, peanuts. I know what this is. I've waited so long for this guy. Not really. They're pretty good at shipping fast. Gather. Has a little leather handle. It's a candle. And the scent is Gather. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Super cute to sit like that. I'm definitely going to share with you guys how I style these items. So stay tuned for those videos. But look at this guy. I can just smell it all day. Let's keep going. I think I know what this is. Oh, it's so cute. Better than what I imagined. So this guy is going to go above my bed and redoing our room. It's a vow. It's her vow sign. Let me read it to you because it's just so beautiful. Oh, it even has a little hanger on it. I take you to be my best friend, my person, my love. I promise to I promise to walk this life beside you. I promise to never stop trying. I promise to snuggle, smile, speak the truth, and always forgive. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and build you up. I promise to choose you today and all of my tomorrows. I promise you all of me and all of my love, always. So cute. This is gonna go above my bed, and it's just super cute and so meaningful. So cute. I think that's everything for this box. Yep. Box number dos. Number 2. This one's a smaller guy. Keep losing the dang scissors. The dang scissors. Box. Found them. Okay, let's keep chugging. A little piece of paper in the middle that's hard to cut. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay. The lampshade. Lampshade. It's got that burlap look to it, creamy color. I'm gonna stick him in there. I got 2 of these guys for my nightstands. Identical. Let me put it up there. Peanuts. Oh, it's so cute. Yes. Look at it. Look at it. So I got 2 of these guys. I'm throwing peanuts everywhere. Here's the top. You have to put it together, which is fun. That's always the fun part. Oh. Look. I think that's everything. these little guys. I'm gonna put this together for you so y'all can see what it looks like together. Hope I'm not missing anything. Yeah, this was just the lamps. Alright. I'm gonna put them together and so you can see what he looks like. Oh my god. That's so like cozy, isn't it? Look, he's gonna go in my room. He's so cute. I got the two of these, one for my stand and one for his. Super cute. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of all the cute items I got. No, this video is not sponsored, but I love all their items and I will keep shopping there. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below what you want to see next. Tell me what your favorite item was in today's video, but I will see you in my next video. Bye!